I just want to do a simple DIY. This is small puff. I got it in a craft shop, and I just want to use to make a very simple fun earring. These are hooks for making earrings. They come in different shapes and sizes and colors. So what I'm going to do is very simple. I will just attach the hook to the puff using UHU gum. I will allow it dry before I rock them for you. This can be done in 5 seconds. The second pair too, I will do just the same thing. The second pair of the puff, I will just do the same thing.
Hello? Hello? Yeah, how far?
I'm repeating the same process for the red puff. All I have to do is just to wait for it to dry before I rock it. Comes to the end of this tutorial. I hope you like what you see. Simple and cheap, affordable rather.